Our first last-minute thoughtful gift is your favorite book. Even if the person you're giving it to doesn't like the genre, they can learn so much about you and you guys could have a lovely conversation about it afterwards. I've taken to wrapping in scarves. I think that this is so cute and less wasteful. Our next gift is perfect for that person who already has everything, and that gift is homemade treats. Because who doesn't like homemade treats? They don't take up space because you eat them right away, and they're delicious. We made sea salted caramels from the Perfect Cookie book, but I will put a similar recipe in the description below. I think homemade treats show a lot of effort and they can often be made with things you already have in your kitchen, which is great for a last minute gift especially. And finally, if you're like me, you probably have a bunch of dried flowers lying around your house, which are perfect for a little floral arrangement. Now, if you don't, that's okay too. You can always go to the store and buy some fresh or dried flowers, or even go outside and find some evergreens. I plan my bouquet first and then put them in an amber glass bottle, but please be gentle when working with dried flowers. As you can see, I make a little mess. You may have to remove some of the lower leaves of some of the plants to fit them in the bottle, and that's just fine. That's about as hard as it gets here. Then I wrap it with a little piece of twine for the aesthetic. I think it really ends up bringing everything together. And there you go, a beautiful decor piece for a friend. Last but not least, write somebody a thoughtful letter. It's been a tough year. We all need a little bit of reassurance and kind words, so I think this could be very special. I like to decorate mine with a wax seal and have some fun with the envelope before giving it, just so that it feels a little bit more like a gift. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some last minute Christmas ideas that were also aesthetic and thoughtful. Please subscribe if you can, and I will see you soon. Merry Christmas.